Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video, so let's go ahead and get into it. As you can see, I have a nail dust collector in front of me, and I have been talking about getting one of these for a very long time. So I want to thank the brand AIRSEE, where I recently got a nail drill from, for sending this to me as PR. I am so grateful for this nail dust collector. I have been talking, like I said, about getting one for months and months now. It's just kind of one of those things where you think about getting it and then you're like, oh man, I could have used a nail dust collector today. And then you think about it again, I could have used it, and then you forget to do it. But those were the specifications for the dust collector. And also, here is the book. I did read all of the instructions in this book and made sure to do it thoroughly as it says, because of course, you don't want to run it for a long time because it will run the motor down and wear the motor out and different things like that. This is the cord. It is not rechargeable. It does require a plug-in, which is fine. I'm okay with that as well, because then you don't have to worry about recharging it and needing batteries if necessary. So I actually don't mind that on none of my stuff except for my nail drill that I recently got for them, which I absolutely love. I have recharged that thing like 4 or 5 times now because I use it so much. And so yeah, but everything else of mine is not rechargeable. And so yeah, for whatever reason, I don't know. I just can't get on board with spending that much money on rechargeable things. That does not ruin my aesthetic. But speaking of aesthetics, I really like how this looks, and it even has the little rubbery things on the bottom to grip onto your desk. And I really like that feature. And now I'll let you hear what this sounds like on all 3 speeds. So as you can hear, this dust collector is not very loud at all, and it is at a very affordable price point, which I really love that as well, which is another reason why I don't mind things that are not rechargeable, because they tend to be more affordable nowadays. And as a DIYer, I just really don't need anything that fancy. I just honestly need something that works. But I can tell after watching a ton of reviews on YouTube about different dust collectors and things like that, that this is going to be a really great nail drill. So here I'm trying to show you the suction or the power, even on a lower setting. It was just such a nice dust collector overall, and you can see everything that it picked up and caught, and I really enjoyed it. It's very easy to clean the filter, and you can order replacements, which are also affordable. And yeah, so here is this gorgeous nail drill, or I keep saying nail drill, but this gorgeous dust collector. It goes well with my aesthetic. It matches my nail drill that they previously sent me. So thank you again so much to AIRSEE, and I want to thank everyone for being the best part of my channel, and I am definitely going to be using and loving this dust collector. So yeah, I will see you in my next video.